Hey y'all, it's Katrina with Pate-Meadows, and I'm out on the porch, and it is my favorite time of year. It's fall. I love October and November, not because it's getting cold, but I love pumpkins and mums. And this year I ordered this little pumpkin from Plush Pumpkins, and it was so beautiful and exquisite, but one just wasn't gonna do. Another friend of mine, Sandra, did a cute pumpkin tutorial on her Facebook Live, and it was showing how you can take old sweaters and make pumpkins. So I went crazy making pumpkins. This one is done with twine and an old sweater, and all I did was cut it. This is one, and you can see I just cut the bottom of the sweater off, and you gather it at the top and at the bottom, and I filled mine with rice. That makes them really hold the shape really good. They're just really cute. And I just went to the farmer's market and got stems off of pumpkins that had already broken off, and they are so cute just to hot glue them on there. So I'm going to use these at my Thanksgiving table as little place card holders. So if you don't have time to make your own, go to Plush Pumpkins and buy theirs. They're absolutely gorgeous. But if you've got a little while and you want a project to make with the kids, go to Sandra Facebook page, and she'll show you just how she made her cute pumpkins using sweaters.